Chuka Okowa is Chinese-style savory rice dish. Sticky mochi rice is cooked with stir-fried pork and vegetable. We use a rice cooker to make it easy. For ingredients and recipe, please check our website japanesecooking101.com. Measure 2 cups of mochi rice, also called sweet rice. Wash the rice. This is the kind of rice steamed and pounded to make mochi, so it's very sticky when it's cooked. If you like less sticky texture, you can substitute a portion with regular rice. Set aside, leaving it in a strainer. Soak the dried shiitake mushroom in water for 15 minutes to rehydrate. Squeeze the water out, remove the stem, and slice thinly. Cut the carrot into thin matchsticks. Thinly slice green onions diagonally. Cut the pork belly into small strips. You can also use a different cut of pork or chicken if you prefer less fat. Heat a frying pan with sesame oil and add the pork. When the color changes, add all of the vegetables. Stir fry for a couple of minutes. You don't need to cook long because it's going into the rice cooker. Then season with sugar, salt, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. And mix. Put the rice in a bowl of the rice cooker and add enough water to reach right below 2 cups of rice, or take out 3 tablespoons of water from the measured water. Add the cooked vegetable and pork with the sauce. And turn on the rice cooker. If your rice cooker has mixed rice or sweet rice mode, use that, or just a regular white rice mode will be fine too. Mix it with spatula and serve. Chuka Okowa is hearty, filling, easy, and delicious. It's an ideal dish for a busy day's dinner, and the leftover will be just as great on the next day to pack in a bento box or shape it into onigiri. We hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。